Good morning, YouTube. We made it to Canaan Valley Resort for the MSTA rally. Really glad we trailered yesterday. It rained on us a good 6 hours, and I mean hard. So very happy we had the trailer yesterday. But I'm heading down. Bike's still on the trailer. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Jamie and I are leading a ride today, so we'll bring you along for that. Never been to a national rally for STAR before. Yeah, yesterday was brutal. We got to the border of West Virginia, and I don't think it stopped raining until we got here yesterday, and it didn't stop raining until late last night. She trailered so well yesterday, no issues whatsoever. Jeep did great. It's gonna be a fantastic day, and when we take off, we'll bring you along. Thanks, everybody. Bye. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It is a beautiful morning here in West Virginia.
The rain has stopped.
We've got just one person joined us this morning, and so Tom joined us, and so he's on an FJR from Ohio, and so we're just out enjoying our morning, but it is beautiful. Roads are a little wet, but nothing, haven't noticed anything crazy. But boy, it is green and it is beautiful out.
The sun has tried to peek through a couple of times.
Yeah, if that sun would come through, it'd be really nice. It'd be really humid, but it'd be really nice. The roads so far have been amazing.
Yeah, I would say quite comparable with
Arkansas,
what we have in Arkansas.
Right, yeah. But man, look at that, folks. It is just beautiful out here. But I'm just going to let you all enjoy this. We'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Look at that, folks. Look how beautiful that is. Sun's coming out. It's going to be a wonderful day. We're going to have lunch in about an hour.
Good afternoon.
Hey, everybody. Just got done having a little bit of lunch at, what was that place called?
Cole's Hideaway in Monterey, Virginia.
Monterey, Virginia. So the other restaurant we were supposed to go to was actually closed.
And it's even better now. The sun is out, the roads are drying up, and it's a perfect temperature.
It's just beautiful outside. You can see Jamie back there, so she's
Hello.
hanging out. If you like what you see,
Make sure that you give us a thumbs up, smash the bell, subscribe, and pass us along to your friends.
yeah, so we got about 120 miles to get back to the resort, but it's all fun miles like this, so we're really looking forward to it.
Absolutely gorgeous. I wish you guys had smell-o-vision because the honeysuckle and other flowers, it just is amazing.
It is, yeah, it does. It's attacking the senses, that's for sure. And 35 miles an hour. Slow down.
Yeah, we don't need to.
We don't need to be speeding in these little towns.
We don't need any performance awards.
So we just wanted to bring you along, say hi. We had some had some lunch. Jamie was getting hangry, so glad she got to eat. I was a little hangry last night when we pulled in, but man, what a beautiful area. So hope you guys enjoy us bringing you along a little bit. Oh, hello, dear, right in the middle of the road. Look at him. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Where am I going? Doo-doo-doo. 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 He doesn't know where he's going. Poor guy. He didn't know where he was going. So, all right, everybody. We'll let you go. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, everybody.
Hey.
Well, we had a great day of riding today.
Oh, absolutely fabulous.
Sorry we're closing it out in the dark, but we actually forgot. And
well, and my Senna ran out of power at the end of the day before we could do it on the bike, so.
And we've been, went to dinner and hung out, kicked tires and everything, so really just had a great evening. But we did want to say the end of day one, I guess.
Day one,
day
oh my
one.
gosh.
And, but thanks again for riding with us today. It was fabulous.
Yep.
West Virginia is awesome. Yep. All right, everybody. We'll see you in the morning. We're going to do day 2. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Jamie and I are out. We just went and had breakfast at the, what was the place called? Brandywine
Family Restaurant.
Family Restaurant. And a little mom and pop place. Food was decent.
Yeah.
Not
Biscuits
bad.
were homemade. They were good.
We had Stephen with us and Tommy and Hugh.
Hugh. Yep.
And so they followed us. Tommy and Hugh went on to do a longer route for today. We are actually heading back to the campground or to the hotel because we have to check out today. We start camping tonight, and I think we're both excited about that.
Yeah, we're going to get our stuff and go set up camp while it's still sunny and beautiful. They're forecasting a possibility of rain this afternoon, so we're hoping to beat that and hoping that maybe that'll go away.
And that way we can get our tent campsite set up.
One of those, right?
And before it gets too wet outside.
Yeah.
And then we'll decide what we're going to do. We may jump in the Jeep, or if the weather stays nice, we'll just stay on the motorcycle.
Yep.
And go find something to do this afternoon.
Although the Jeep with the top down wouldn't be bad either.
That's true too. So we can look at that and figure out what we're going to do there. Jerry's in the wrong gear. That's what he gets for trying to do YouTube, and 25-mile-an-hour corner hits it. Got a bunch of pictures. I think Jamie uploaded 120 pictures yesterday, so
Yep.
we'll put that link down below too. You can see all those. More pictures than you'll want to see, to be honest with you. All right, everybody. Well, we're going to let you go so we can concentrate on having a little fun. So.
Yep. Everybody have a good day and
Stay where you're going, dude. Where are you going?
see you later.
I didn't know what that dude was doing. This is such a good stretch of road.
Well, it's been raining pretty hard here for the last hour or so. Makes it pretty. Steven over there says his tent's leaking a little bit. Motorcycle's getting a good washing. Got some neighbors. They're leaving tomorrow. Nice campground though. There's our campground. Got the tent up. That moonshade, I think we finally found the key to it. Jamie's putting on her rain gear. She left her jacket at the hotel. Looks like we got the rain gear up, and bad thing is we didn't get any food, so we have to go into town. So we're hoping it stops raining soon. Here's our camp for the next 5 days. We're gonna put our hammock where that trailer's at. We're gonna move that. Hey everybody.
Hey.
It's man, we had a great day of riding today.
We did. We had a lot of fun. We made it to Maryland.
Hadn't done that before.
And you wouldn't know it because there weren't any signs. There was one on a train trestle, but barely.
And then we got here, cooked some dinner. We got that all squared away, and as you can tell, we're quarantined to the tent right now.
It's raining again.
Because it's raining again. So we just wanted to close out today's video, tell you all hi. Hopefully it's not too loud because of the rain. It's lightning pretty good outside. But we had a good day. We'll see you tomorrow. We're going to do a lunch ride tomorrow and hang out some more.
Yeah.
Oh
my goodness.
There's some thunder. And all right, everybody, have a good night.
Bye.
Bye.